Hello everyone, I am Zoz, and Klarus was kind enough to me that they send out the new Klarus E5 Plus flashlight for me for a review. And as usually, I like to show you the first impression I have with the flashlight. So this is my first unbox of it. Just came with the mail. So the box said ultra thin dual switch triple light flashlight, 650 lumens, 39 grams, and 8 millimeter thick. It has a front 150 lumens headlight and 650 lumens COB LED side light. This is a very much floodlight, and a 10 lumens red and red flash light. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Here is the flashlight itself. Wow, the quality is very good, very thin. It's actually 8 millimeters, I think. Magnetic tape. Pocket clip. Of course, the thickness is measured without the pocket clip, so the main body thickness is 8 millimeters. There is a charging port cover. Yes. USB Type-C. When charging, the red LED glows in a very low level, and when the charging is finished, it switched to a blue light. And we have two power buttons, side LED and front LED. Both of them are COB type. Let's see. Nothing happens. Long press to on, and the front has two modes. Long press to off. Okay. The side, long press to on, yes. And it has 4 levels. Double click to red, and another single click to blinking red, back to double click back to white, and that's it. I cannot see any PWM in the video. Let's see. Oh, only one mode. Only one LED can be powered. So you cannot have to run both LEDs at the same time. The front LED is cool white, and this ring bigger LED is warm white color temperature. Type A, Type C charging cable. It's about 30 centimeters. And the user manual. First try and then read the user manual. This method is okay if you want to know how intuitive the user interface in the flashlight. So it was pretty easy to figure out, but let's see. Red strobe. Oh, we have a red strobe also, which I didn't find. So, and maybe we got some lockout feature also, but I don't know. Okay, I will read this and get back to it. So, I said that I cannot find a red strobe, but a red strobe is the blinking red that I also found. So I found the whole user interface in a very short time, so it is very intuitive and easy to use. And white lights have mode memory, so it remembers which mode you left in. Now I will use it for a few weeks in the real world and make a few outside videos, but for you it's just the magic of video editing, and you will see it now. So after a few weeks of use, I'm not really finding any negative things on this flashlight, just minor, very minor things. One of them is the USB cover, which is very hard to open with nails or with hands, so I always use some pointy thing like a needle or a flathead small screwdriver to open it, because it's not so easy. Maybe they need to change a bit of this design of this rubber flap. The chrome is holding well, no any major scratches, only a few scratches on this lens is visible after 3 weeks of use. That's all the negatives. And I measured the output. This one is making 570 lumens according to my measurements. It's maybe a few percent off, but it definitely doesn't have the 650, but almost 600. And the front LED I measured 130, if I remember correct. So that's also a bit lower, but not by much. It is very usable with this output, and the magnet is very useful. It is very comfortable in the pocket because it's extremely thin. Pocket clip is very strong, so you're not gonna lose it. I didn't measure the battery life. I charged it maybe once a week, and that was enough for my usage. It doesn't need any more secure lockout feature because the buttons are on the side, and it need some force to press, and you need a longer press to power on, so it doesn't need any more lockout than that. So thank you, Klarus, for sending me this flashlight, and you will find a link in the description and where to buy it. Thank you, thank you everybody for watching this video, and bye bye until the next one.